Hello dear students, I welcome you to today's class. So we are proceeding with chapter 6, political parties. Political science, we have completed the topics that we have completed. I have already discussed it in the last video, but just for your ideas, just for your benefit, I would be giving you a brief 1-minute recap where we have discussed about the functions of the political parties. सबसे पहले हमने पढ़ा था the components. Okay, we read about the components of the political parties. How do these political parties function? We came to know about it. काफी सारी चीजें इसके बारे में हमको पता चली. Another thing that we have done, जो कि हमने किया है, that was the necessity. क्या political parties की जरूरत है हमको, और do we really need political parties? We discussed about it. Got it? Then we have also discussed the topic that we have started in the last video. It was about how many parties should we have. Got it? So topic is how many parties should we have. We have to be very clear on that. हम क्या है? India. What is India? India is a multi-party system. Got it? India is a multi-party system where we have got approximately 750 parties. 750 parties बहुत होती है. I mean, we really have a lot of parties that are looking after the India's system, that are looking after the India's administration, the government, if that is being formed. So we need to understand कि इतनी सारी parties मिलके are they really working effectively? क्या वो अच्छे से काम कर रहे हैं? ठीक है, ये समझने की जरूरत है. Then we started about a system. Then we were talking about something called as one party system. Got it? कहाँ पे है? In China. China में you have read something about in class 9th also. Okay, the kind of system that is existing in China, you have definitely read about it, and उसमें आपको क्या क्या चीजें पता चली थी. 9th class में what you read, इसमें you have came to know about the Communist Party. Okay, Communist Party is only allowed to rule. Only the Communist Party is there. Okay, and if we talk in a very legal manner, lawful manner में अगर हम बात करें, तो people are free to form political parties because क्या होता है कि they can form the political parties. It does not happen लेकिन during the election system. In the electoral system, it does not permit free competition for power. हाँ, मतलब अगर गवर्नमेंट बनाएंगी तो वो कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ही गवर्नमेंट बनाएगी. इन चाइना it is always communist party which is forming the government. So can we say that China is democratic? No. ये डेमोक्रेसी के खिलाफ है. Democracy means all the parties and everybody should get a fair chance. Okay, to form a government, to rule. ये सारी चीजें हमको देखना है that it is happening in the country. One party system को we cannot consider it as a good option. It is not a very good thing because it is not a democratic option. So it is not democratic. हम जब डेमोक्रेसी की बात कर रहे हैं तो इक्वल पावर हैज टू बी गिवन टू ऑल द पार्टीज दैट इज देयर. ओके, and any democratic system the democratic system that is existing, it must allow at least two parties. At least two parties should be there to compete in elections. Okay, तो वन पार्टी सिस्टम में हमने ये देख लिया, हमने ये समझ लिया कि only a single party is ruling. It cannot be called as democratic. It cannot be termed as a good system to rule. Okay, so fair chance for competing is not there. Please understand, not democratic, one party system, and fair chance of competition is lacking. Got it? हम डेमोक्रेसी की बात कर रहे हैं ना, तो डेमोक्रेसी में एवरीबडी शुड गेट अ फेयर चांस. एक ही पार्टी अपने मन की कैसे चला सकती है, फिर उसको हम कैसे सही कहेंगे? इट इज नॉट करेक्ट इफ सच अ थिंग हैपेंस. कुछ कंट्रीज में क्या होता है, इन सम कंट्रीज द चेंजेस हैपन बिटवीन टू पार्टीज. ओके, इन सम कंट्रीज मतलब कभी एक पार्टी ने पावर कर लिया, आई मीन sometime it happens that one party is forming the government and the other time other party is forming the government. Okay, so students, एक तो वन पार्टी हो गया, then power keeps on changing between two parties. Okay, नहीं मतलब समझो, टू पार्टी सिस्टम का भी एक अलग एक्सप्लेनेशन है. यूजुअली व्हाट हैपेंस कि चेंजेस डू ऑकर, बदलाव आते हैं. दीज चेंजेस दैट आर हैपनिंग, ओके, मतलब गवर्नमेंट चेंजेस दैट आर हैपनिंग, इसमें टू पार्टीज आर देयर, सेवरल अदर पार्टीज में बी देयर. दे कॉन्टेस्ट इलेक्शंस, दे विन अ फ्यू सीट्स इन द नेशनल लेजिस्लेचर, बट ओनली टू मेन पार्टीज आर देयर which have a clear majority of winning the elections, like United Kingdoms and United States of America, USA and UK, Britain are examples of two party system. One party system का हमने example discuss कर लिया, that was China. Okay, and two party system में please understand, in two party system power keeps on changing between two parties only. दो ही पार्टी होती हैं, उन्हीं दोनों पार्टी में से इलेक्शंस होते हैं. अदर पार्टीज आर ऑल्सो देयर, बट the major power going in the hands, power किसके हाथ में जाएगा, it depends only on those two parties. Okay, कभी एक पार्टी के पास चला गया पावर, कभी दूसरी पार्टी के पास. Now USA and UK, these are examples of two party system. Please whenever you mention about these how many parties should we have, तो आप जब वन पार्टी सिस्टम, टू पार्टी सिस्टम, when you are answering, you need to mention example, otherwise your answer remains incomplete. Got it? So USA and UK, United Kingdoms. Got it? Now ये जो हम we are talking about two party system, one party system, where does India stand in this? Okay, several parties are there, they compete for power, you all know it very well. Two parties, more than two parties have a reasonable chance of coming to power. पहले बार क्या होता है कि more than two parties are there, तो they get a fair chance of coming to the to power. Okay, हर एक लोगों को, we call it a multi-party system. Okay, more than two parties, everybody has got the right to vote, and all the parties and the members have the right to contest the elections. Okay, so such kind of a system is called as a multi-party system. Multi-party system. Got it? इंडिया में है. This is where India is. So India में we have a multi-party system. When you talk about multi-party system, in this system government क्या होता है, various parties they come together, okay, and when they form, they have to form the government, they have to form the sometimes what happens कि देखो अभी तो 2014 से the trend have changed. Trend have changed means now one party is there which is always getting majority, forming the government, and as you all know, you all are aware, 2014 से जो है बीजेपी is only forming the government. ये वाली जो बुक है, I mean the book that has been written, थोड़ा सा it is a bit old, थोड़ी पुरानी किताब है, तो इसमें आपको पुरानी जानकारियां ज्यादा मिल रही हैं. Where in the year 2009-10 के आसपास जो एक ट्रेंड था, that was the system of coalition government. या तो एक पार्टी को जब मेजोरिटी नहीं मिलती, when one party does not get majority, तो it tries to coordinate with other parties, उनको अपने साथ मिलाने की कोशिश करते हैं कि प्लीज आ जाओ, let's form a party and let's form the government. तो दूसरी पार्टीज भी कहती है ठीक है, we will be supporting you, सपोर्ट करके, and they form the government. लेकिन क्या होता है, my experience says and what I have seen and what I have witnessed is कि parties तो form हो जाती हैं, government is formed, but then there is difference in ideology. Now the CPI has a different ideology, Communist Party of India. Congress has got a different ideology. Samajwadi Party (SP) has got a different idea. So with these kind of different ideologies क्या होता है कि अक्सर आपस में लड़ते रहते हैं. गवर्नमेंट तो फॉर्म कर ली, गॉट इट, 2-3 पार्टियों ने मिलके, तो they join hands for the purpose of contesting the elections, winning the power. तो इस तरह की चीजों, कितनी बार इलेक्शंस भी साथ में कॉन्टेस्ट करते हैं, and it is called as an alliance. दो तीन पार्टीज क्या होता है ना, लाइक अभी इन द recent elections it had happened that people said some of the parties they join hands together, Congress, and they have joined hands with Janata Dal and all these parties, they came together, contested the elections together, alliance करके, so that they can get the majority. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ. Still the majority went in the favor of other party, I mean the ruling party, the party which has formed the government. Got it? तो इंडिया में there were such major alliances, काफी सारे alliances का एग्जाम्पल है हमारे पास. एक तो हुआ था 2004 में, one alliance had happened where the National Democratic Alliance, a United Progressive Alliance, and the Left Front, they came together. Multi-party system appears very messy. काफी, you know, I told you ना कि गवर्नमेंट बना लेते हैं, साथ में आ जाते हैं, दूसरी पार्टी को हराने की कोशिश करते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो वो they do. But what happens is it leads to political instability. I mean, it is not very stable the way stable governments are there in one party system and bi-party. One party तो चाइना है ही. देखो, please try to understand one thing. When do we oppose something? हम किसी चीज की opposition कब करते हैं? जब when we see that we are facing losses, हमको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट्स को पूरी नहीं किया जा रहा है, we are continuously being ignored. All these things when happen, then people come on roads. they start protesting, they start opposing. ठीक है, तो चाइना में लोग अपोज क्यों नहीं करते हैं? वाई डोंट दे से कि मल्टी पार्टी होना चाहिए और भी पार्टीज को चांस मिलना चाहिए? एंड वाई एवरीबडी इज सिटिंग क्वाइट इन चाइना? बिकॉज द पार्टी विच हैज फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट is doing a good job. No, please don't get me wrong. I'm not appreciate नहीं कर रही हूं, मैं एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूं that China is progressing. चाइना में lot of industrial development is there. People are not very unemployed. तो कुछ तो कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी has framed some policies. Okay, कुछ तो काम कर रहे होंगे due to which people do not feel like opposing it. I am talking about the people who are staying in China. Got it? तो इसलिए वहां का सिस्टम बिल्कुल अलग है, हमारे यहाँ का सिस्टम बिल्कुल अलग है. With this multi-party system and all these things happening together, एक साथ काफी सारी चीजें जब एक साथ हो रही हैं, तो पार्टी सिस्टम में क्या है? Bi-party system in the same way USA, UK, lot of political confusions are not there. ठीक है, the way we face, हमारे यहाँ पे जिस तरह का थोड़ा सा confusing environment है ना, that is not there in other countries. Okay, तो multi-party system sometimes it is मेसी मतलब थोड़ा सा क्या होता है ना, उथल पुथल टाइप का. इट इज नॉट वेरी क्लियर कहाँ क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. पार्टी सिस्टम इट इज नॉट चोजन बाय एनीबडी. एनी कंट्री डजंट चूज द पार्टी सिस्टम. इट काफी दिनों में इट इवॉल्व्स इन अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द नेचर ऑफ द सोसाइटी, इट्स सोशल एंड रीजनल डिविजन्स. हमारे यहाँ पे मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम इज देयर because it is mentioned. ये भी समझना कि we are doing everything, whatever decisions are being taken or whatever we are doing according to the constitutional lines. हम constitution के हिसाब से बहुत सारे decisions लेते हैं, तो we need to be very clear on that. हमारे यहाँ पे सबसे इंडिया में क्या है कि मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम has evolved. शुरू में क्या था, when 1947 की बात बता रहे हैं, it was only everybody thought कि other parties were there, but the most powerful party that was considered was Congress. तो social and geographical diversity that we have in India. तो if we are also moving for only 2 or 3 parties, तो it would be injustice. अन्याय होगा, और अन्याय हमको नहीं करना है. We don't have to do injustice with anybody. Staying in a country like India, we have to see that everybody's requirements are fulfilled. Geographical conditions, abhi only 2 parties are there. Suppose India mein khali 1 party is there. So one party, how will it control and how will it manage such a big country? Okay, China is also a big country, lekin unka it has evolved. They have come up with a system जहाँ पे कि Communist Party has always been forming the government, and India में we have the large country it is, and it is not easily absorbed. 2 or 3 parties इसमें absorb नहीं हो पाएंगे. All countries, all situations में what happens, it is no system is ideal for any government. हमेशा what happens is some or the other confusion will always exist. Okay? कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम आपको दिखेगी ही, आप इस चीज को महसूस करेंगे. तो अगर हम ये कहते हो वन पार्टी सिस्टम इज वेरी नाइस, 2 party, नो, वी कांट से दैट. तो पार्टी सिस्टम्स दैट वी हैव अंडरस्टूड जस्ट नाउ, वी वर डिस्कसिंग 3 major type of party systems have come up that exist in state level. अभी 2 states पता करो जिसमें कि you have the 2 party system or multi party system with alliances, and multi party system is there where only all the parties are getting an equal chance. Got it? Please understand. Now what happens is we have to see that how many types of parties are there and how many parties should be there in the country. All these things we have seen. Usme one thing that has come out is one party system, bi-party system and multi-party system. Now just see how much are we participating in the political parties. Okay, please understand. Popular participation in political parties. How many people are there who are actively participating in the political parties? Please understand. क्या हम और आप भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को सपोर्ट करते हैं या किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के मेंबर हैं? तो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आर फेसिंग अ क्राइसिस. अभी हम इस चीज को इसलिए कह रहे हैं बिकॉज दे आर वेरी अनपॉपुलर एंड द सिटीजन्स आर इनडिफरेंट टू द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. ऑल द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आर नॉट वेलकम. कितनी बार क्या होता है, सम पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आर क्रिटिसाइज्ड अ लॉट. तो अभी वी हैव what we understood. There is one example that is given in your book. When you go through this example, you will understand. Large sample surveys have been done, okay, and conducted over several decades. हर 10 साल पे एक सर्वे किया जाता है. सर्वे you understand ना, where a sample is taken. Suppose Varanasi में we will see which party is popular. Let's have a survey on that, okay. So when survey has been done, lot of organizations are there which hold the survey to understand the working of the political parties. So it has come out that political parties do not enjoy much trust among the people. बहुत सारी political parties है जिसपे people hardly believe. ओके, लोगों के बीच में विश्वास जमा पाना, दैट इज ऑल्सो अ बिग टास्क. आई यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? तो स्पेशली इन द साउथ एशिया, the people who are there in the country, their trust in political parties is not much or not at all. ठीक है? Suppose survey is happening, please understand. तो a question is there, do you trust on political parties? Okay, I'm just giving a short form. So options are there. Options समझो, ठीक है? Great, some, not at all. ठीक है? Please understand, these were the options and not much. ठीक है? Suppose ये क्वेश्चन लेके मैं आपके पास आती हूँ. I take this question and I come to you. Okay? Now what happens? I'll ask you कि बेटा इसमें आपको टिक करना है. तो maximum people जिन्होंने, those who have participated in this survey, maximum people have said ticked on this option and this option. पहले वाले दोनों ऑप्शन पे मतलब बहुत very less people were there who have ticked on the first two options. Try to understand. इसी से क्लियर हो रहा है that की ट्रस्ट कितना है लोगों को. How much people are trusting on the political parties. Then there are other democracies as well, political parties जिसमें कि one of the least trusted institutions all over the world. Okay, इस क्वेश्चन में maximum people have voted on this. Another survey was saying कि political parties are one of the least trusted institutions. People people don't believe on the political parties and their working and their functioning. इस चीज को हमको समझना पड़ेगा. देखो, I mean, try to understand that the democracies are based on the working of the political parties, but we are hardly finding any people involved into it, or people who are blindly trusting the political parties. Blindly trust करने वाले भी हमको बहुत कम मिल रहे हैं. Please understand. Okay, तो पहला काम जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज का है, नाउ द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट इज कमिंग टू माय माइंड इज दैट दे हैव टू सी, द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैव टू सी एंड प्रैक्टिस दैट हाउ दे क्रिएट ट्रस्ट अमंग द पीपल. बट स्टिल द एक्टिविटीज एंड द इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ द पीपल इन द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज इज वेरी हाई. गालियां भी हम उनको देते हैं, लेकिन सपोर्ट भी उन्हीं को करते. भाई, हु आर द पीपल हु आर फॉर्मिंग द गवर्नमेंट? हमने आपने जिनको चुना है. वी हैव सेलेक्टेड द पीपल हु आर सिटिंग देयर इन द पार्लियामेंट. तो अगर ट्रस्ट नहीं होगा, लीस्ट ट्रस्टेड इंस्टीट्यूशन है, तो हम वोटिंग करने क्यों जाएंगे? वी आर वोटिंग, वी आर इलेक्टिंग सम पीपल हु गो एंड सिट इन द पार्लियामेंट एंड फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट. बहुत जरूरी है इस चीज को समझना. Okay, so the people who are saying they are members of some or the other parties, it's very high. Many advanced countries are there in China, Japan, Spain, South Korea. ठीक है? The people who have supported the parties, political parties, it was very high. Level of participation is high. I told you now, whatever we say, but still people trust on the political parties. Level of participation is quite high. Survey says that people don't trust, people don't agree, लेकिन फिर भी the political parties are gaining support. Okay, last 3 decades में proportion of the members of political party in India has gone up काफी सारा. और अभी तो मने कि people are really taking lot of interest in the functioning and the working of the political parties. People have become very aware. लोगों की हम क्यों बात करें? हमारे आपके जैसे लोग भी अगर पॉलिटिकल डिस्कशंस आर हैपनिंग, आर वेरी एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेंट्स, तुरंत अपना व्यू पॉइंट देंगे. गॉट इट? पीपल टेंड टू गिव द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, देयर ओन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, इफ एनी क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड फॉर एनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. ओके, when the survey was conducted in India, it was asked from the people, do you feel close to a political party? And it has also increased a lot. Okay, people now are voting ki yes, they are also they are close to a political party. Party membership that is there in India has been rising, participation has been increasing. Lot of datas are there that are showing and that are proving the participation of people in the political parties and its groups. How people participate in the activities of the political parties, how do they support the political parties, इससे related काफी सारे questions हैं. एक children, there is one story in your book. Got it? I would like you to go through that story, which I will be discussing it in the next class. Khalil's dilemma. Who was Khalil and what was his dilemma? Please go through it. खलील कौन था और उसको क्या प्रॉब्लम थी, इस चीज को थोड़ा सा यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. इसको आप देखना. बहुत सारी द सर्वेज दैट हैव बीन डन, the datas have been given in your book also. Canada, Spain, South Korea, all these places, the big surveys that are happening is giving us a lot of idea about the role of the political parties played in the public sphere. Got it? We have to understand that ये सब party membership, how many people are the members in the party? It is higher in South Asia and rest of the globe. South Asia means जहाँ पे India is also in the South Asia. Okay? तो we need to understand, इसको हमको देखना है, and then the percentage that is there. Okay? We will be seeing about the percentage of participation. How does it happen? What changes does it happen? Percentage of participation. एक बार इसको देखना, just go through it once, okay? And we will be continuing in the next class. We will be discussing it in the next class. Got it, children? Thank you, children, and all the best to you.